Hi guys, I'm so excited to partner with Cricut to bring you this review of the newest release, the Cricut Maker 3. Today, let's discuss all the new features of the Cricut Maker 3 and my initial thoughts of the new smart technology. Now, if you look at the machine, it does look almost similar to the previous Maker, but with some minor improvements. The same great features of the previous Maker, the storage for our tools and accessories, and slot for our tablet and phone have been incorporated into the Maker 3. But with their new launch of the Maker 3 and Explorer 3, the new compatible line of smart materials were also released. And with this, the tracks were added onto the Maker 3 to work with the new line of smart materials. Smart materials require no mats, making life so much easier. Just load and go. Alongside the launch, the new roll holder was released. It has a handy built-in trimmer to give you a straight cut each time. You can just add your roll and feed it through. It slides right on to your machine and it will keep your roll in place for your extra long projects. The new Maker 3 can also cut up to 12 feet in one shot with smart materials, which is a great improvement to the original Maker, which we were limited to the longest mat, which is 2 feet long. Just like the original Maker, the Maker 3 can cut up to 300 different materials, also utilizing the 13 adaptive tools. So if you're planning on upgrading, you can use all of the same tools and mats in the Maker 3. The Maker 3 can cut up to 2 times the speed of the original Maker with 10 times the cutting force. In the box with the Maker 3, you'll receive a premium fine point blade, 4 different types of smart materials, so you can get a feel for all of this smart materials line. And you wouldn't be complete without Cricut transfer tape. Now, let's discuss the compatible smart materials and the accessories. Smart paper comes in an array of vibrant colors. They have an adhesive back which can turn any cut into an automatic sticker. A new trimmer was also released to fit the 13 inches for the new smart materials line. So you can fit all of your smart materials in this trimmer. And then we have a huge range of removable and permanent vinyl. They have rolls available in 3 feet and 21 feet for those extra long projects. And again, in a beautiful range of colors and sizes. And we couldn't forget our smart iron-on. And this comes in glitter and regular matte, and then we can't forget our super long rolls of transfer tape. Okay, you guys, I have gone to my canvas to do a little designing, and I have a major project for my favorite client, my son, and I have been wanting to decorate. Above his bed there's an empty wall and customize it for my little man. So I've created this little statement piece to go above his bed, and it says Noah's room, and that was per his request. And this thing is 40 inches wide. Again, the largest project I am about to cut ever in my life, and I couldn't have done it without the Cricut Maker 3. And this is a little bear image that I pulled off Design Space, and this is 14 and a half. So we've got a lot of fun little accent pieces, and I can't wait to cut these projects. And I am going to cut all of these little black items on one single pass. So we are going to go and load the materials. We're going to do it without a mat. So again, insane game changer that I can load this huge roll of vinyl, and it's going to do all that for me. I'm just going to move this onto my other mat, and because we have a large roll of 21 feet of vinyl, so I could do this in one pass. I'm just going to rearrange this, and this one is 256. Okay, so we have room on that. Okay, and I'm just gonna update this to fit everything together. Okay, I am so excited, and I will come back and show you after it's all cut and done. So I'm cutting the larger vinyl piece, and I just want to show you. Look how fast and efficient this thing is cutting. It's amazing that it is cutting so fast, and the vinyl is just feeding from the back. So I am super excited to show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, the project is cut, and I cannot believe how easy this was to cut. Look how gigantic this one piece alone is. I did trim the top because I hate wasting vinyl. So I can't wait to show you the before and after of what I created. I'll be back. Here is his wall, nice and empty. And here is his after. I am beyond thrilled to complete this wall and be sponsored by Cricut. I am in love with this machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.